This is an unboxing video of the Powerworks XB cordless self-propelled lawnmower. It has a 21-inch steel deck and it includes two 40-volt 4-amp-hour batteries and a charger. Okay, now we're going to start opening the box. Razor blade. Looks to be packed pretty good. There's a cardboard holding it in. We got the clip-ins bag. This is the charger. Looks like it's wall mountable too. Alright, here's a battery. It's going to have two of these. Alright, there you go. It's got a power indicator over here. Looks like it's pretty dead. And this is a 40-volt power brick. Here's another battery. Let's see. Yeah, same thing, only one notch. So those definitely have to be charged. Manual is kind of scrunched up in there. Here's the manual. And this is the redirector for the side chute. I want to get this out of the box, but I'm sure it's going to be quite awkward. Let's see. Get a good grip on it. It is pretty heavy. And cutting off these packing ties. It actually was quite heavy. It's the steel deck, I guess. Alright. Let's see. Oh, nope. Let's see, something's locked over here. Oh, you pull right here. There's a little lever. You can see there's a little lever right here. You pull this lever up. Locks into place. Yep, and there's one on this side as well. Okay. Let's see. Oh, you're gonna have to take these things off. Down here for a sec. Okay. Kind of hangs on the end. Okay. Alright, so now it should just fit into place. And there's cable management, looks like, as well. So I'm going to get the wing nut. Get back on this side. Okay. And then put this wing nut in place. And then there's cable management. You can see there's two little clips right here. Take this clip off right here, put the cable underneath it, and then push the clip back in. Same thing on this side. It snaps right in. There you go. Alright, so now the lawnmower's been assembled. It's the battery compartment. And there's a safety key right here. Right, go ahead and pull that out. That's to make sure that the lawnmower doesn't accidentally start up when you put the batteries in. This is the side chute. See the chute out the clippings on this side. This is the adjustable lever, one-handed, adjusting how high the lawnmower is. Round two. Alright. This is the start button to start the blades, and this is the throttle for the self-propelled part of it, to how fast it wants to go forward. This lever right here is to start the blades, and this lever in the back is to start the forward self-propelled.